let's get started with this look here. One of my favorite St. Patrick's Day looks ever. So I'm just going to be taking this nice blue. You guys are like, why are we using blue when it comes down to St. Patrick's Day? When we add all these colors, like what we get ready to use to slay this look, you guys, you're going to thank me later. So we're going to use blue today as our cut crease. I never really use blue as a cut crease unless I want to have some fun, give a little bit of pop. But we're going to use this blue as a cut crease. Now I'm going to be taking the green from the F80 Day Tonight, if you guys are curious of what palette I'm using. And I'm just going to take that green and go over the blue. As you can see, the transition from that green, how I kind of muted out the blue just a little bit. Yes, it does. Of course, we're cutting the crease with my favorite LA Girl Pro Concealer and Cool Tan. Now I'm just setting the lids with the concealer on it, because if you do not set, the shadows are going to go everywhere. Now I'm going to be taking the orange from the LA Girl Pro palette, and I'm just going to be taking the orange, and I'm just going to be pouring the orange to the inner corner all the way to the center of the lid, and then I'm going to be taking a light blue from the L palette. And the orange from the L palette wasn't really that pigment enough for me to just set it there. Even with the white base, I just took the lighter blue and applied it to right next to it. It's like a tealish blue, so I just took it right next to it. Now I'm just going to be adding a little bit more definition into the crease. You got to make sure you add a little definition to any look. I think personally, you don't have to do this, but it's mandatory for me to add a little bit more definition, because it kind of like make it look like you added more effort. So I just took a pigment from Ulta, and it's like a pretty gold pigment, and I just applied it right into inner corner. Now I'm taking the ColorMate's eyeliner, and I love this cream eyeliner. I'm just doing like a wing eyeliner. I didn't really want this wing to be that bold, but I kind of like how the outcome looked with this wing being that bold. It was cute, so we let it ride, but I like how it turned out. Take a dark brown. This is like how I get my nude lip combo to really pop off. So I take a brown lip liner, and I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to apply it to my lips first, and then I apply my favorite nude lipstick. lipstick that I did apply was from LA Girl. It's their nude lipstick in Snuggle. And I really like this combo. It's nice. I can wear it out. It does its job. I like it. So I'm just going to be taking the e.l.f. Golden Bronzer and highlight my face. We got to have a good highlight with a good look. No matter if it's a cut crease, not cut crease. We got to have a good highlighter. So I'm just going to be highlighting my nose, my forehead, cheeks, chin, the whole nine. So, whole 9 yards. Now I'm going to be applying blush. I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. palette in dark. Just going to be applying a couple of coats of blush to my cheeks. And it's like a rosy blush, but it's not too over the top.